Hello all, welcome back to Sudarshan CADD channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to extrude the object and change or how to modify the object by using the extrude command. So let's get started. So back into our Blender software. So we're gonna learn how to extrude the object. So now we are in the object mode. So in the mode, if we click on the one face, it will not be get clicked. So whole object will be get selected. So to extrude the one single face, we just need to go into the edit mode, and in the edit mode, so we will going to select the one face and we're gonna extrude it. So to extrude the face, the command is the short key is E on the keyboard. Press E and give the appropriate direction where you want to extrude. So now I'm extruding in the Z direction. So you can see our cube is been extruded in Z direction. Again, selecting the face and just trying to create some different geometry out of this. So now again, just click on the face and extrude it. Again, I'm extruding it. So uh, yeah, for time being, you can also say that just simpler low poly. We can create a simple low poly structure by using this. Again, just pressing the Ctrl R to add the edges, and here I have added some edges. Again, on this side. So now we have added the edges to all the sides. Again, in the middle of the key these cubes. Again, pressing the Ctrl and R, and it will create new edges. So now, if you say, consider this as a building structure, you can how to create this look like a building structure. So just again, select the face and extrude uh, a bit. So press E and extrude it inside, and again select the face and again extrude it bit more. So by using different commands, we're gonna try to create some geometry out of it. So you can say that here the extrude command is very useful to convert the geometry and make some changes in or change the shape of our structure. So yeah, you can see now you can select the multiple faces also by clicking shift and selecting all the faces, and again by extrude it in. By dragging the mouse, you can give the direction to the extrusion, and in this way we can create our structure. So we have learned the extrude command, and if you go again to the object mode, now you can see that our object has been changed. And in the object mode, if you use the extrude command, it will not gonna use, so it will be extruding only in edit mode only. So if you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.